Hello darlings, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you may notice, I used to dabble in resin and sublimation, but over the past year and a half, my adventure has shifted a little bit, and thus we have opened a crystal and herbal shop called Sassy Clover, and I wanted to kind of take you guys on my journey and learn more about crystals and holistic ways of living, including herbs and herbal teas. But we also have a storefront located in Wilson, North Carolina. Let me show you around. We are located in Wilson, North Carolina off of Airport Boulevard. Our hours are Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Look at these beautiful paintings that we had done by a local artist named Morgan Barnes. So let's walk inside. We are more than just a crystal shop. We are an experience. So when you walk in, you're really going to get the feel of enchantment. We have a beautiful decor here by the door, but you also smell the aroma of all of these incense sticks. So we have over 45 incense sticks, different kinds, and they smell absolutely amazing. These are by Wildberry. If you guys have never tried their incense sticks, they're absolutely to die for. They have an amazing scent throw, and the burn time on them really extends beyond any other incense sticks that I've used before. But we also have other items for you as far as scents are concerned, with candles and herbs, oils. We have a little section for tarot decks, but our primary focus is crystals. So when I say we're a crystal store, I truly mean it. We have this entire wall section right here dedicated to crystal jewelry, from bracelets to necklaces. We even have rings and a few earrings, and this section will be sure to be expanding. We have keychains and dream catchers and wind chimes, and then we have a little smaller items like little small crystal carvings. We have an array of worry stones and a little something for everyone, no matter if you're looking for statement pieces or your favorite crystal. We have spheres and towers and flames and wands, pyramids and carvings. I mean, if you can think it, we can get it. We also have this amazing tumble table here that is full of small crystal carvings and palm stones, along with tumbles. I think we have over maybe 50 different types of tumbles based off of what you need. And then coming to the back of the store is our relaxation area. So come and sit by the fireplace, enjoy a book or knit if that's your thing, or just enjoy a cup of tea, because we do also serve herbal teas. And here are a few different options that we have, but you can also come into the store and we will brew you a cup to enjoy. So excited that you found us, and subscribe to the channel because we will be sharing more and more as the store grows and teaching you guys a little more about crystals and what they can do for you.